lovelies, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Veggies HK. Welcome to my happy place. How are you, lovelies? Thank you so much for all your support and your motivation, and for all my subscribers. Thank you. God bless you all. So for this month of September, this is my last stopping for my saving challenges. So for the first one, as you all may know, I'm always have my butterfly saving challenge and my group play and collab saving challenges. So for my butterfly saving challenges, what I will save today is $50. So I don't have a change. So for now, let's use prop money and let's the real money put in here. And let's count the prop money. It's prop money. It's on a butterfly team as well. It is from Mamshi Queen of Mel of Mamshi Queen. You can check her Copa shop if you want to grab this cute butterfly prop money. So let's count 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 59, 50. Okay. And for the first butterfly savings challenge, this is from Mel of Mamshi Queen, and it's a scratch up butterfly saving challenge. You can see this on her Copa shop for a very affordable price. If you want to grab this saving challenges or saving challenge, you can just go to her Copa shop. I'll put the link on the description box. So let's see which one. Let's do the smaller one here. Sorry, I think there's a noise when my table is shaking. So if you're asking if I have job now, no, I'm still jobless and struggling to struggle to, and struggling now for my finances. And of course, this is a changes for our finance, but I'm still hoping to find a suitable job for me, for my time, for my family time, and my work time combined. Okay, so this pink one, it's $6. So let's save here $6. Okay, let's see. So for now, okay, let's just grab it in here and keep it. I will not count it yet because I think this is a big and long video as well. So for this one, let's use four-sided dice and know what to save in here. So 2. Let's see. Hold on. Let's do one more. So 2. So 4. Let's say 4 in here. Let's see if there's a change. So this saving challenge is from Plan to Save Designs. You see, I just correct it there. Oh, I always do like this. Okay, let's just, okay. I always have a mistake doing like that. So $4. So if I save here 10, just put $4 here. Okay, $4, and total now is 21. So next one is from Kid Special Creation in YouTube. And let's see, it's a roll and save. This a freebie from her Copa shop as well. Okay, so just roll and save. Let's save here, I think Four-sided die, so 4. Let's do 2 also. So 3. I am now in a low income because I don't have job, so it's a low income. I hope I can find a better one. Hopefully, yes. So $7. Okay. So let's see how much is it. 5. So 30. So I have $41 here. All right. $41. Yay. And for this one, my butterfly friend, Vay of the budgeting butterfly. Okay, let's scratch this out. This is a set of, it's not, I think it's a set of 4. Yeah, when she, when I receive it on my email. Okay, let's scratch this out. So 3. Sorry, I'm shaking my table. Let's do one more. You can check her Etsy or Copa shop if you want to grab this beautiful butterfly saving challenge. Okay, let's save here $5. Okay. Next one is from Vicky Things and Weekly Budget Spring Collab. And let's save here. So 1, 3. So total of 4 now. I think one more. So 2. 1, 3, and 2. 5, 6. So 6. And so far what we have here is, oh, let's see. It's now 10, 20, 30, 40, 43. Okay. Let's see if I can finish one challenge today for the butterfly binder. And this one is a color game. So, okay, before I start, put out the saving challenge. Lovely. Sometimes I just mark it on the envelope. So let's do this. You can find this on my Copa shop if you want to. If you're interested. So pink, saving it. This is $5. And do one more. So blue, it's $1. So now save $6 here. Let's see if there's a change here. So 2, 4, 6. And the total amount here now is $7. So where this the money go? So all of the completed saving challenges money saves will go to our debt. Okay. So for this one is from Bobby of Canadian Finance Journey. So it's a roll and save. So what I'm going to do, I will roll and save as low income, $4 the max. So 1, 1. Maybe let's do one more. So 2, so $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So total now here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 45. So this one is from Cash Tapping and Coffee. Per icon is $5. So what I'm going to do now is let's stuff this $10 to, so let's cross this. So now the total amount saved here is 20, 20, 30, $40. Okay, $40. So I didn't finish anything yet. This one I will do next time. So where to get this to? $2. So let's put it in. Let me save it in here. So let's cross this one, 1 and 2. Okay. So all the money going to our debt already saved. Okay, so next binder, next saving challenge. So let me put it aside, and next saving challenge. Next binder is for group play. Sorry about my nails. I haven't do it yet. So group play and collaboration. It's not much challenge here. It's just some few. So I will save here my last $100 for the saving challenges. And next week I will not save anything on these two binders because I don't have money to save. So what I'm going to do next week, I will unstuff my saving challenges, all the completed saving challenges, and I will reallocate it as well. So for just for now, let's do this one. So I have
$100.
and for this challenge, I'm using coins. And for the first collaboration, this is I'm part of this collaboration. This is Saving Around the World 2025, 12 months of saving. So we're now in the September saving challenge. I already done it, I already finished it. So I'll start with October. And October's challenge, the one who made this is Planner Budget. And let's see. So this one is right here. Okay, so let me just, it's representing Canada. And it said here each maple syrup is costs $1, but for me I will do a each maple syrup I will do $2. Okay, so let's save here. 50, $10. So let's save $10. Let me color it first. So it should be 5 icon, right? One. If you're new to my channel, I'm not good in coloring and I don't enjoy much of coloring, but I'll try. We all have different kind of talent and enjoyment, but coloring is not it's not my favorite. And this one, okay, I'll just put it like that and save $10 here. So let's see if I can have $40 change. Okay, since I don't have, I will go back here and let's see if I can change in another binder. So for now, I will I'll just go back in here because I haven't have any change yet. So let's put it aside. And for the next challenge, so I owe here $40. For the next collaboration, this is Everything Bitchy. There's a lot of channels that is part of this collaboration. And I just put it on the description box. I want to save with them. That's why I use this saving challenge. Okay, so it's a 2 dice challenge, and let's see. I forgot that it's a 2 dice challenge, so let me grab one more dice. Okay, and let's roll. So 5, 3, and 2. 3 and 2. So it's an icon. Every icon is $8. So this is $8. Let's do one more. 6 and 2. 6 and 2 is $2. So we save here $10. I hope there's a change because I don't have much change now. So $10, right? So it should be 40 here. Yay, 40. Okay, 40. 40. So how much in here? I forgot. Oh, $10. So let's just go here first. Another collaboration is from Miss Judy of Save with Judy, Abigail, or of Blessed Budget with Abigail. Oh, sorry, Blessed Budget by Abigail, and then Trina of Hippies, Puppies, and Kittens. So I finished it here last time, so let's roll the dice and save it. It's a harvest time. It's a fall collab, I think. So 2, 1, 2, so $2. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, so $5. Let's do one more. So 2, 1, 2, so $6. $6. So let's $6 is if I put 20. So I need $14 change. Okay. All right. Send it. All right. So next one, we'll just go back if we still have money. Next one is for my group play. Okay, let's complete this. And I still need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $6. So $6. And put a change here. $4. 2, 4, 2, 4. And let's press this out. It is not how many times you fail, it is how many times you pick yourself up. Just remind yourself every time, and myself as well. Okay, so how much I save in here? All right. I save here 10, oh, sorry, 20, 30, 40, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 59. All right, $59. Okay, so let's change this into this. And 59, I'll just save it in here and put, and you know what to do. If I completed any challenge, I'll just ring the bell, ring the bell, my bell, woo! Okay, and let's put it in here. Okay, where's the coin? So just put it there, right? And next time I will do this one. This, you can see this, or you can find it on my Copa shop. It's a good play for me, but it's up to you if you want to grab that or not. It's your decision. Okay, this is September. I think I want to start with this one first because I want to finish this. This is from Budget with Alma, and I want to finish as many as I can. I want to save as many as I can here. So this icon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's save 5 in here. I'll save 5 in here, and let's finish this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I do here is I roll a dice in each icon, and that's why the dice will determine how much each icon costs, or is each icon. So that's what I do in the first one. So you can see this saving challenge, of course, in budgets with Alma Copa Shop. So let's save here $20. And so far, what we save here, 60, 70, 75. Okay. So how many icon left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I'll go back if I have money, if I still have money to save. But for now, okay, let's do that and go back here. So this is a September group play of no release budget or no release. So let's roll the dice here. I'll do again the four-sided dice. So 2, 2, 2. Whoa. So 3. Okay. So 5, $9. Let's do here 20 and change $11. So far what we save here is 20, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay. And then let's go to this challenge. This is from Eva of Budget Your Life. This is September group play. You can see this on her Copa shop. It's budgetyourlife.com or budget your life in Copa shop. So let's roll here. Six-sided dice. Okay, let's try six-sided dice here. So 4, 6, 4. So it's $14 and it's done. Yay! How much I save here? $14. So total save here $34. Okay, let's see. 10, 10, 20, 30. Should be 35. Why 34? See, 6, 18, 20. Let's count. I'm confused now. Maybe I got a mistake here. 6, 6, 12 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4. So it should be 35. So I made a mistake somewhere along the way. Oh, there. Somewhere along the way. Okay. And let's ring the bell. Ring the bell. Ring the bell, my bell. And let's write down how much. So all the completed saving challenges on this binder, on the group play, going to our month ahead. Okay. It's now heavy because of a lot of coins in here. I forgot how much I saved in here. Anyway, I think 59. Okay, let's write down 59. Okay, we still have 10, 20, 30, 35. So $35 and you put that. So I will go back in here. Okay. So let's finish the slippers, the flip-flop. So three, one, two, three, isn't it? One, two, three, four. So 3 times 4 is $12. What else? So the bag, the beach bag, one, two. So it's only two. So six, $6. So now 12 plus 6, $18 now. Okay, let's put 18 first. And change of $2. And what else? I'll have two icons left. So for ice cream, I know it's done already. One, two. Yeah, it's done already. Ice cream. Yay! So the juice of the day. Isn't it? I've done it with the juice as well. No, no. Still have one, two, three, four. So I cannot do four. So let's one, two, three, and four. So let's do how much I have here. Two, four. So $12. I can do $12. So I thought I can finish this, but no. So one and two. So $12. So I didn't finish it. I tried, but no, I cannot. So there's $5 go? How come there's $5? Okay, so let's do it in here. So just roll the four-sided dice and let's see. So three, come on. I don't want IOU, so I put $2 here. Okay, two. Okay, all the money saved. And I finished. I completed. And I completed today 2 saving challenge. All right. Thank you so much for being here. Hope you enjoyed my video today. And thank you so much for always there to motivate me. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that updated on my next video and help my channel grow as well. So that's it for now. Bye for now and see you later. Be humble and grateful. Make saving a habit. Bye. See you next week. Love ya. Bye.